Good morning and welcome to BAS 120 Personal Finance Online. This is a summary of what the class is all about, and everyone who's enrolled in this class will get this email. So the first thing you'll see in the email is watch this first, which is a link to a YouTube video that I'm now recording, and you'll basically get the information that you need to get going in the class. So let's go. Our class will not use Blackboard except for student evaluations. The required book and online material for the class are as follows. The textbook is Personal Finance by Kapoor, the latest edition. The book ISBN number may or may not be the same as this. What's more important is the front of the book. If the front of the book looks like this, then that's what we need to have. You'll also need a Connect online access code for this book. Warning, warning, warning. If you're receiving financial aid, grants, or loans, you must show participation in this class within 5 days of the course start date by completing the first 3 course assignments on Connect. From this point on, you can go directly to the course site listed below, and here's the link to the course site. So I've got the course site pulled up myself, so let's just go there. Here's what the course site looks like when you get there. You can see that you've got assignments that are all going to be listed. Here's all the assignments down through here. And in this class there's basically 2 kinds of assignments. There are concept quizzes and there's problem quizzes. You'll have something like this for every assignment, for every chapter. Notice that there's a little I right here for information. If you click on this, it will tell you a little something about the assignment. For this case, this assignment has 4 questions. It's worth 20 points. That's a homework assignment. Notice also over here that the attempts remaining in this assignment, this says unlimited attempts. Any assignment where I have unlimited attempts, you can have you can go as many times as you want to, and I'll only record your highest score. The due date on these assignments you can see is as follows. There's an alarm clock by the ones that are timed, and if you click on or hover over this alarm clock, you can see this assignment has 10 minutes. This assignment's 10 minutes, and so forth, so on. Over here is a picture of me along with my email address and my office hours, basically. If you got a Connect Plus card, that means you have access to the ebook, which you can click right here and you can read the textbook electronically. Here's a syllabus, and what else? That's basically all you need to know about the assignments, except for up here. The BAS 120 pretest and the BAS 120 post-test, which is on down here at the end right here, we've got post-test. These 2 assignments have no factor on your grade. These assignments are designed to see how much overall the class has learned from the beginning of the class to the end of the class. And so don't spend a lot of time on them. Just try to do your best, and we're doing this for accreditation purposes. Now let's see, let's go back to the getting started information here. Let's see, that's the class link. Yeah, to get this Connect access code, you can do it 3 ways. You can buy it online, or you can buy it at the bookstore, or you can get a free trial until your financial aid comes in. And here's a link I've got that basically shows you what you need to do to get this free 2-week trial, but I've got it also on a Word document that I'll show you. So when you first go to Connect, you're going to see this screen. If you're already registered, then every time you go to the site, you'll see something look like this. You'll put in your email, your password, click on sign in, and you'll go right to the course. If you haven't done this, then the very first time that you go to Connect, you need to go over here and click on Register Now. So when you click on Register Now, before you click on it, make sure that it is the right course, the right section. You'll see my name and or my picture and the textbook. And if all that matches, then you want to click on Register Now. And the next screen you'll see, it'll tell you to put in an email address and click on submit. And then when you get to the third screen, it will say, okay, if you've got a registration code, which you could have bought at the bookstore, then you need to put that in right now and click on submit. If you don't have a registration code, then you can click on right here, buy one online. You can do it that way. Or if you don't have the funds currently available, you can click on start free trial, and it'll give you a 2-week free trial. So that's something you might want to look at into if your funds haven't come in yet, that free trial. Now let's go back to the getting started email. Let's put this down here. Go back to this. Now let's see. That's the how to get the code. Then once you've got the code, you register online, create an ID and a password. You log in and start doing assignments. If you need course help, you can contact me at my email address or at my telephone number, but don't call me either before 9 a.m. or after 9 p.m. If you need technical help, that is like there's something wrong with a computer, with the internet, so forth, so on, then you can call 1-800-331-5094. That's the McGraw-Hill Connect technical support website phone number. All information for this class will be sent to your KCTCS email account, and you need to make sure that's something you check on a weekly basis. Also, I have a list down here on this email I send everyone that has a link to narrated PowerPoints. So for example, like I said, there's 2 kinds of assignments in this class. There's concept quizzes, and so you read the chapter, then you could also watch the narrated PowerPoint slides for each chapters, and then you could take the concept quiz. There's also problem quizzes, and for just about every homework assignment I have a problem quiz that I've already done online on YouTube videos. So for example, if you're working on problem 1-2, you could click on this link and it'll take you right to YouTube. You can watch me doing something very similar to this same exercise, and then you could do it. And so here's a list of all these videos that you can look at, and I think that's about it. So if you have any questions after this, then you can know how to get in touch with me, and that's it for now.